Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sumit's Academic Zone, and today we will be discussing what is Project Proposal Proforma, right? So you might have seen in your guideline that you have to attach Project Proposal Proforma with your synopsis or project proposal. So what is that? Let's understand. So here I'm opening the guideline of Masters of Business Studies project. Okay, so here it is. The code for the project is MMPP001. Doesn't matter, it is about MMPP001. This particular video is for all the courses because the project proposal proforma would be um, very similar to this. Okay, so this is the guideline. If you want to find your project proposal proforma, you can go to the guideline of your project course. Okay, so this is the guideline. Okay, at the end of this particular guideline, the annexure is given which has to be attached with your project report. Okay, so now at the bottom of this guideline you can see this is project proposal proforma which has to be attached with your project proposal or synopsis. You can see here proforma for approval of project proposal. Okay, so what are the contents under it, what you have to what information you have to give in your project proposal proforma, I'm gonna tell you. Okay, so the first thing is enrollment number. You have to write your enrollment number here. Okay, after that you have to put the study center code here. Okay, then you have to write the regional centers code here. Okay, or you can write the name as well with code. Now this another thing is you have to write the name, your name, the student's name. Okay, you have to write the student's name here. Next is address of the student. You have to write your address, complete postal address where the synopsis is to be sent. Okay, now another thing is you have to write your personal email address. Okay, here you have to write the title of your project work. Okay, the topic of your project work. Next you have to write the name and address of the supervisor. So for your project work there must be a guide or supervisor who is supervising you. So you have to write the name and address of the supervisor here. Okay, if you want to know who is the supervisor, how can you get the supervisor, what are the qualification of the supervisor, I have another video which you can watch uh, at my channel. You can go to the channel of you can go to my channel and watch that particular video so that you will have overall idea about who can be the supervisor of your project work. Okay, now another thing is the supervisor and academic counselor of management program of IGNOU courses this is counseling for. Okay, so you have to write yes or no. He is the supervisor and academic counselor of management program of IGNOU. So if your guide is the supervisor or academic counselor of management program of IGNOU, you have to specify here, and you also have to write the code of the study center of your guide. Okay, number of the student being guided. So how many student he has guided, you have to specify here if your guide is the supervisor or academic counselor of IGNOU. Okay, now to be assigned by the regional center, this will be project proposal number will be assigned by the regional center. Okay, and so this is for the regional center. Okay, here your supervisor will signature here. Okay, and here you have to give your signature, and you have to write the current date on which you are submitting your proposal. And this is for the official use for IGNOU. Okay, please do not forget to enclose the synopsis of the project and biodata of the supervisor. In case the complete and signed biodata of supervisor not enclosed, the proposal will not be entertained. Okay, so here it is written as a note that with project proposal or synopsis, you also have to attach the biodata of the supervisor. So with this project proposal proforma, you have to attach the biodata of supervisor and the synopsis you have made. So that would be the complete synopsis, and that could be accepted by the IGNOU, so that you can go ahead and make your project work. Okay, if your project will be approved here, they will tick it. Okay, and if it wouldn't be approved, they will tick not approved. Okay, and this is for official use for IGNOU. So this was all in this particular video. If you have any query regarding project proposal proforma or regarding any project or courses of IGNOU, you can comment. You can write the comment. I'll definitely answer. Thank you very much for watching this particular video. Have a wonderful day.